What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. And good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa for the last time for a little while. I'm flying home today, so there's just going to be one video today, just a quick update on Bitcoin. I don't arrive back in Canada until Sunday, so there won't be any videos over the weekend, but I wanted to quickly update Bitcoin for you guys. I'm just cleaning up, packing my bags, and getting ready for my journey. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Lame. All right, so we're gonna go over Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 23,421. We're up 1.6 on the day. We're seeing market cap of 443 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 33.23 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So a couple of scenarios, guys, and one scenario is that this was your wave one, this was your wave two, and right now we're putting in a wave three, and we're doing a little something like this where we've come up in a wave one. This is your wave two pullback, and then you see your wave three, wave four, wave five. If that, I'm gonna make this smaller. So if that were to be the scenario here, then what you'd be looking at for a wave three is you take a measurement from the bottom of your wave one up to the top, down to the bottom of your wave two. If this were to be the bottom here, you would target the 1.618 for a potential wave three at about 26.7K. Now, the second scenario is that this was all part of the larger wave one, and right now we're going through a wave two correction. So if that's the case here, then it could pull all the way back. If we take our fib retracement from the bottom of the larger wave one to the top, it could pull all the way back to the 0.5, the 0.618, about 21.3 and 20.7K. I don't really want to see it go any lower than about 21.3 because it would be breaking back into this pattern. This trend line's at about 21.7. And I don't think it would be good for the bulls. So it's called a fake out, where you if you're a pattern trader, where you excuse me. I'm still sick, so hopefully, I'm not coughing on the plane and everyone's going to be like, it's COVID. Where you break out and then you just fall right back down into the pattern. I don't think it would be a good sign for the bulls. I think that would be a strong sign of weakness. But as of right now, we've broken out. So there's two scenarios I'm looking at. We hold 23K, that major level of resistance, which currently we're sitting above about 23.2. And we see continuation all the way up to about 25, 26K. Or the second scenario is that we're going through an A, B, C correction, and that would be more confirmation that this was your wave one and you're putting in a wave two pullback. But if we break back into the ascending triangle, it's not a strong sign in my opinion. We're on the 4-hour time frame, a little bit of a bearish divergence here on the money flow. As you can see, we're creating higher highs, we're creating lower highs on the money flow, meaning money is flowing out while price is pushing up, which can be an early sign of a move back down, but that's not promised, guys. Indicators are right about 75% of the time, and we don't really have a bearish divergence here on the RSI, and the RSI is a better indicator than the money flow in my opinion, but the money flow is quite effective. Anyways, so if we start to roll over here, look for an ABC correction. I do think you want to hold about 21.7, 21.3. So if we come down and we break into the pattern a little bit, but then we bounce, we see continuation, that would be good for the bullish case. If we do this, we break down into the pattern, we come all the way down to this level of support, wouldn't be a very strong sign in my opinion. But as of right now, we've broken out. We're holding a key level of resistance. Now flip this support, 23K, the major level we've been watching here. So the two scenarios is that we're going through a smaller wave one. This was your wave two pullback. Looking for your wave three, wave four, wave five within the wave one. Within the wave three here in pink, within the wave three. And the second scenario is that this was the wave one, the larger wave one in pink here. And if we come down and we lose this low here at about 22.43K, we come down to the 0.5 to 0.618, then potentially we're looking at a wave two pullback here for Bitcoin. But as of right now, we'll just keep this wave count that we had in previous videos until it's invalidated, until we roll over and lose this low. We'll just keep this wave count where currently we're in the wave three. We've made a wave one. This is your wave two pullback. If we come up and break this high, then we can be putting in a wave three. And if we come down and break this low, then we're looking at a larger wave two correction, in my opinion. That's basically it for BTC. My exact entries, exits, and take profits are coming in at $10 a month until the end of the month, and then it's going to be kicked up to $25 a month. Currently, we're making some juicy profits on our Matic trade and our Gala trade as well. We already locked in 50%. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits from my leverage trades, from my spot trades, if you want to see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions, it's all coming in at $10 until the end of the month, and then it's going to be bumped up. But if you get in at the $10 membership, you can stay at $10 as long as you don't leave the group and try to re-enter. You can stay at $10 for a lifetime. And over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. That's it for today. I've got to fly. I've got to get ready to go. Head to the airport and spend the next couple days flying through the sky and sitting in airports on my layovers. Unfortunately, I'm not bougie enough yet to have a private jet, but I don't really care. I'm blessed to be able to travel. It's unbelievable coming from, you know, a really poor background and family, and to be able to be here now it's crazy. So shout out to you guys. It's all because of you and crypto. All right, much love, guys. See you in a couple of days. Peace.